We just got too excited with our own ideas. We're really sorry.
Well, perhaps I should have shown the Budgies a little appreciation too. How they do work hard to please me. And now they're gone forever. Squad! I am sorry I didn't appreciate you. Budgies, is that you? Oh, my fine-feathered friends, please forgive me. Oh, you really like me. For me? Oh, George. Thank you all for your hard work. Nice orange. I promise, I'll try harder to appreciate what you do for me. But now, it is time to make Zsa-Zsa's orange juice fluff. So, who's going to carry these oranges for me? And, help me return this orange card, of course.
We made Sparks feel sad when we didn't appreciate what he did for us. And Zsa-Zsa didn't appreciate what the Budgies did for her either.
Nice work, Budgies. Thank you.
When someone does something special for you, it's important to say thank you and show you really mean it. And I'm taking that to heart.
Come on, Bitsy.